Pegasus E. A flying car that feels like it was pulled straight out of the future. This isn't just another vehicle, it's a full-blown revolution in personal transport. With the push of a button, it lifts off the road and takes to the skies, turning traffic jams into distant memories. Designed with a sleek carbon fiber body and futuristic air intakes, it looks like a sci-fi dream, but it's very real. What makes the Pegasus E so incredible are its retractable rotors, which quietly unfold to enable vertical takeoff. In just seconds, you go from cruising on the highway to flying above it all. With a range of up to 480 kilometers and an airspeed of 132 kilometers per hour, this hybrid marvel blends performance with freedom like never before. It's compact, fits into a standard garage, and yes, it's fully flight certified. Whether you're heading to work or escaping for the weekend, the Pegasus E transforms every journey into an experience. You're not just driving or flying, you're doing both, effortlessly. This machine isn't just about transportation, it's about reclaiming time, breaking barriers, and soaring past limitations. The Aeroprakt A22 is a true gem in the sky, built for those who crave freedom, fun, and fantastic views. This Ukrainian two-seater ultralight aircraft is loved for its smooth flying experience and incredible visibility, perfect for both adventure seekers and aerial survey enthusiasts. Its high wing, tricycle gear design gives it a stable and forgiving feel in the air. Crafted mainly from lightweight metal and reinforced with composite parts, it balances strength with agility. The wings and control surfaces are covered in fabric, shaving off extra weight for better performance. What really sets the A22 apart are its wide, convex windows and large glazed doors, giving you a panoramic view from above, whether you're flying over cityscapes, coastlines, or countryside. It's like having a glass cockpit without the cost. Instead of using traditional ailerons and flaps, this beauty comes equipped with flaperons and a triple-axis control system, giving you precise handling and an ultra-low stall speed of just 32 miles per hour. That means smoother landings and a safer flight, even at slower speeds. The A22 Foxbat is more than just a recreational flyer, it's a reliable partner in the sky, whether you're up there for fun or for purpose. Light, responsive, and beautifully built, it's the kind of aircraft that makes you fall in love with flying all over again. Solar Impulse 2 isn't just a plane, it's a revolution in the sky. This incredible Swiss-made aircraft runs entirely on solar power, proving that clean energy can truly take flight. With 11,628 solar cells covering its massive 63.4-meter wingspan, it charges itself while soaring, needing no fuel and producing zero emissions. Built for endurance, Solar Impulse 2 can fly non-stop for up to 36 hours, powered by 4 ultra-efficient electric motors and 2-blade propellers. It cruises smoothly at around 70 kilometers per hour and can climb to breathtaking altitudes of 12,000 meters. Its ultra-light body and smart design make every watt count. This single-seat monoplane is more than an aircraft, it's a flying laboratory. It shows how renewable energy isn't just for homes or cars, but for the skies too. From the moment it first lifted off, it became a global symbol of sustainability and bold innovation. Solar Impulse 2 isn't just about flying, it's about flying smarter. Its mission goes beyond record-setting. It's about challenging the limits of technology without harming the planet. It completed a historic flight around the world, powered only by the sun, without burning a single drop of fuel. With Solar Impulse 2, the future of aviation looks cleaner, quieter, and brighter. It's a bold step toward eco-friendly transport, and a reminder that innovation, when powered by purpose, can truly change the world. One flight at a time. Vertical Aerospace VAX1 is where innovation meets ambition. Built in the UK, this was the company's first full-scale electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, commonly known as an evtol. Launched by Vertical Aerospace in 2016, under the vision of Stephen Fitzpatrick, the goal was clear: cut carbon emissions and reshape the future of flight. The VAX1 combined aviation, energy, and automotive tech into one sleek flying machine. This early prototype, weighing around 750 kilograms, took its first quiet leap indoors in August 2017. Less than a year later, it soared outdoors at Cotswold Airport, marking a historic moment in electric aviation. Controlled remotely and powered by 4 ducted electric fans, the VAX-1 wasn't just a flight, it was a breakthrough. It showed the world that sustainable, urban air mobility isn't just a dream. It's happening. The VAX-1 proved that clean, quiet, and efficient flying machines are possible. It laid the foundation for a new era of transportation, one where helicopters could be replaced by smarter, greener alternatives. Vertical Aerospace didn't just test a prototype, they set a new standard. Piper M700 Fury, a sleek, high-performance turboprop that takes luxury flying to a whole new level. This aircraft is built to impress, blending raw power, advanced tech, and refined comfort into one airborne masterpiece. Powered by a 700 horsepower Pratt & Whitney PT6A52 engine, the Fury hits a thrilling top speed of 301 knots true airspeed. With a max range of around 1,149 nautical miles, plus a 45-minute reserve, it's perfect for serious cross-country flying without unnecessary stops. The cockpit is a pilot's dream, loaded with Garmin's G3000 avionics suite. This setup boosts your situational awareness, safety, and overall flying confidence. And here's the real game changer: the Halo safety system with Garmin Autoland. In an emergency, it can land the aircraft entirely on its own, a true lifesaver in the skies. Weighing in with a max takeoff weight of 6,000 pounds and a useful load of 2,195 pounds, the M700 Fury offers an ideal balance between performance and payload. And thanks to its pressurized cabin, passengers can cruise comfortably at 30,000 feet, smooth, quiet, and calm. The Piper M700 Fury isn't just an upgrade, it's a bold statement in private aviation. It's fast, it's smart, and it's safer than ever. Whether you're a weekend flyer or a seasoned aviator, this is the aircraft that delivers it all: speed, range, and pure aviation excellence. The Kodiak 100 is built like a beast but flies with the grace of a bird. This single-engine turboprop is known for its ability to take off and land on some of the roughest, shortest airstrips on the planet. No runway? No problem. It's the ultimate adventure aircraft, made for bush pilots, explorers, and remote missions. Powered by a 750 horsepower Pratt & Whitney PT6A34 engine, the Kodiak 100 reaches a max speed of around 183 knots and cruises comfortably at 160. It climbs like a rocket, 1,500 feet per minute, and can reach altitudes up to 25,000 feet with ease. The range? A solid 1,000 plus nautical miles, perfect for long hauls across the wild. This aircraft means business. Measuring 33 feet long with a 47-foot wingspan, it can carry up to 10 passengers in a roomy, rugged cabin. Whether you're hauling people, supplies, or gear, it's up to the task. The high wing design with automatic leading edge slats and split flaps gives it outstanding stall control and low-speed handling. That means safer, slower landings even in tricky terrain. A must for bush flying and hard-to-reach destinations. The Kodiak 100 isn't just another plane. It's a trusted workhorse in the air, known for its durability, versatility, and raw power. From cargo missions to backcountry adventures, this is the aircraft that gets you there and back with confidence and class. The Renault Air 4 is not just a tribute, it's a bold leap into the future. Designed to celebrate 60 years of the legendary Renault 4, this flying car concept blends nostalgia with next-level innovation. Created in partnership with the Arsenale, the Air 4 trades traditional wheels for four drone-like propellers, turning the iconic car into a flying machine that hovers and takes off vertically. Built with lightweight carbon fiber, its body maintains a retro-futuristic vibe, staying true to Renault's design heritage while pushing boundaries. It's powered by lithium-ion batteries and can hit speeds up to 150 km per hour. Yes, in the air. With a flight altitude of 2,300 feet, the Air 4 proves that personal aerial mobility is no longer just a fantasy. The Tiltrotor evtol is one of the most exciting concepts shaping the future of air travel. It brings together the best of both worlds: vertical lift like a helicopter and the smooth, fast cruise of a fixed-wing plane. This is made possible by tilting rotors that shift from upward lift to forward thrust in seconds. It's a clever mix of power and precision. With this design, the aircraft can take off from tight urban spots and soar like a jet across long distances. That means more speed, more range, and way more efficiency than traditional helicopters. It's not just about flying, it's about doing it smarter. And that's what makes tilt-rotor evtols such a big deal for tomorrow's cities. Whether it's moving people across town or delivering important cargo, this aircraft promises cleaner, quieter, and faster solutions for crowded skies. Xpeng aeroht. This is the future taking off, literally. The Xpeng aeroht is not just a car, and not just an aircraft. It's both. Born from the vision of Chinese tech giant Xpeng, this machine combines an electric vehicle with a vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. On the road, it drives like a sleek EV. But when traffic clogs the streets, it lifts into the sky with a quiet, controlled ascent. It's built for cities, where space is tight and time is precious. Advanced autonomous systems handle both ground and air navigation with precision, and thanks to its aerodynamic frame and efficient propulsion, the transition between land and air feels seamless and safe. The design is pure science fiction brought to life. Lightweight materials, retractable rotors, and cutting-edge stability controls. Xpeng focused on safety from every angle, with multiple fail-safes, collision avoidance sensors, and a dual-motor setup for redundancy. Beyond performance, the aeroht also aims to solve real problems, reducing urban congestion, shortening commutes, and cutting emissions. It's not just about flying for fun, it's about building a smarter, cleaner, faster way to move. The Volina airbike is the next chapter in futuristic transport, a flying bike made for the bold. Crafted from ultralight carbon fiber and equipped with high-performance electric rotors, it takes you soaring at speeds up to 75 miles per hour or 120 kilometers per hour. Thanks to its VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, you can launch straight from your driveway, rooftop, or parking lot with zero runway. With a load capacity of 220 pounds, it's designed for solo city flyers or those quick intercity jumps, offering you the freedom of the skies without the chaos of traffic. What makes it a true marvel? AI-assisted flight control and a self-balancing system that keeps everything smooth, stable, and beginner-friendly from start to finish. Its design looks like it came straight from a sci-fi movie, sleek, minimal, and ultra-modern. No complicated controls, just an intuitive interface that puts power and precision at your fingertips. And it's all electric, which means zero emissions, low noise, and a cleaner urban airspace. The Volina airbike isn't just a cool idea, it's a real-world solution to today's urban congestion and tomorrow's mobility dreams. If the future had wings, this would be it. Personal air travel, reimagined and ready for liftoff. The Volocity aircraft is set to redefine city transportation, offering a silent, efficient, and futuristic air taxi experience. Designed by Volocopter GmbH, this all-electric aircraft features 18 rotors for vertical takeoff and landing. With over 2,000 successful test flights, it meets the highest aviation safety standards in Europe. Its redundant flight systems ensure maximum security, making it one of the safest air taxis ever built. The Volocity is incredibly quiet, making it ideal for urban air travel without disrupting city life. While it will be piloted initially, the aircraft is designed for future autonomous operation. Passengers can enjoy a smooth, scenic, and time-saving ride, avoiding ground traffic entirely. A 15-minute flight is estimated to cost $355. Offering a premium alternative to traditional transport. With its eco-friendly, all-electric propulsion, the Volocity is paving the way for zero-emission aviation. This is the beginning of a new era in urban mobility, where flying taxis are no longer science fiction. VDR-2 Stargazer M4, a hypersonic leap in global transportation. Created by Venus Aerospace, this game-changing duo redefines speed, performance, and sustainability in the skies. At its core is the VDR-2 engine, a marvel of modern propulsion that combines the raw power of a rotating detonation rocket engine with the fuel-saving precision of a ramjet. Blistering velocity and unmatched efficiency, unlocking travel at speeds once thought impossible. It's not just fast, it's intelligently fast. Now pair that engine with the Stargazer M4, the world's first reusable hypersonic aircraft. This futuristic machine isn't just built to perform, it's built to return, refuel, and do it all over again. Meet the Vimo evtol, also known as the Flying Tiger, a futuristic marvel from China. Launched in 2022, this state-of-the-art electric passenger drone is rewriting urban mobility. With a sleek Xpeng configuration, it boasts 8 rotors for vertical lift and 2 propellers for smooth horizontal flight. Designed for modern city travel, it effortlessly carries 4 passengers plus luggage. And with a range of up to 200 kilometers, it's perfect for quick, efficient commutes. Powered entirely by electricity, the Vimo is a step toward a greener future. Its autonomous flight system makes travel safe, convenient, and stress-free. No pilot, no problem. Just sit back and enjoy the ride. Volkswagen's engineering brilliance ensures every flight is smooth and reliable. This isn't just transportation, it's an experience of futuristic luxury. Urban air mobility has never looked this promising. Whether you're avoiding city traffic or heading to a business meeting, the Vimo has you covered. The Stratosphera Volatile is a revolutionary electric vertical takeoff and landing (evtol) aircraft. Designed by Italian studio Larini Design, it looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Its ultralight carbon fiber body gives it a sleek, spacepod-like appearance. Inside, it comfortably seats 2 passengers, offering a luxurious and futuristic flying experience. With 4 double rotors powered by dual electric engines, this aircraft is both powerful and efficient. It can fly for up to an hour at maximum speed, making it perfect for air taxis and private sky tours. Beyond its breathtaking design, the Stratosphera Volatile is a glimpse into the future of air travel. It promises sustainable, autonomous, and ultra-modern aviation, redefining how we navigate the skies. Though still in its prototype phase, this innovation paves the way for a new era of flight. Imagine soaring above the city in a personal flying sphere. That future is closer than ever. The Terrafugia TFX is one of the most ambitious flying car concepts ever introduced, a dream of seamless travel by road and air. Designed as a hybrid electric VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft, the TFX blends the comfort of a car with the thrill of flight, promising a future where traffic jams are a thing of the past. Equipped with foldable wings and rear-mounted electric propellers, the TFX was imagined to take off like a helicopter and fly like a plane. On the ground, it drives like a conventional car. In the sky, it cruises at over 200 miles per hour with a range of around 500 miles, all while running on a plug-in hybrid powertrain. It was planned to seat 4 people and operate autonomously or with minimal input from the user. The concept aimed to make flying safe, simple, and accessible to the everyday commuter. With automatic navigation, obstacle avoidance, and even emergency landing functions, it was meant to be as easy to operate as today's GPS-guided cars. Despite being a concept, the TFX has inspired the entire industry. Stratolaunch is rewriting the rules of flight with its groundbreaking Talon test vehicle. Launched from the massive Stratolaunch aircraft, the world's largest with a 385-foot wingspan, this project pushes hypersonic speeds beyond Mach 5. Talon has made history as the first fully reusable hypersonic test vehicle recovered since the legendary 1960s X-15 program. Backed by the U.S. Department of Defense's Mach TB program, Stratolaunch is fast-tracking the future of hypersonic technology. Their focus? Rapid, cost-effective testing of critical systems like engines, sensors, and communications for next-gen weapons. With recent successful test flights, Stratolaunch is proving hypersonic flight can be practical, reliable, and game-changing. Their $24.7 million contract with the Missile Defense Agency is a clear vote of confidence in their mission. By providing a reusable platform, they're lowering costs and speeding up research, making hypersonic capabilities more accessible than ever. This technology isn't just about speed, it's about creating new defense possibilities and aerospace innovations. Stratolaunch is leading a revolution, transforming how we think about air and space travel, defense, and technology for decades to come. The Rolls-royce spirit of innovation is a revolutionary all-electric aircraft, breaking records and setting new standards. With a top speed of 623 km per hour, 387.4 miles per hour, it has become the fastest all-electric vehicle in history. This engineering marvel is powered by a 400 kilowatts, 500 plus horsepower, electric powertrain, delivering unmatched performance. At the heart of the aircraft is the most powerful battery pack ever built for aviation, ensuring high energy output. Developed as part of the Excel project, the spirit of innovation aims to decarbonize air travel. Its efficient and sustainable design represents a major step toward achieving net zero emissions in aviation. The sleek and aerodynamic build minimizes drag, allowing for incredible speed and agility in the air. Rolls-royce has combined cutting-edge electric propulsion technology with state-of-the-art engineering. This aircraft isn't just breaking records, it's paving the way for the future of sustainable aviation. The Skyov, short for Sky Overture, is a jaw-dropping supersonic jet concept imagined by visionary designer Oscar Viñals. It's not just fast, it aims to obliterate speed limits, with projected speeds soaring beyond Mach 2, making today's commercial jets look slow. Inside, it's a flying palace, a modular luxury cabin with private suites, elegant lounges, and even personal bedrooms, all wrapped in futuristic comfort. But Skyov isn't just about style, it's about rewriting what's possible in the sky. Underneath its sleek exterior lies the heart of its innovation, bladeless turbojet engines combined with pulse detonation propulsion. And here's the twist. It's built with hydrogen fuel in mind, a bold step toward sustainable high-speed travel. Of course, it's still just a concept for now, and the road to reality is full of hurdles, from funding to physics. Engineering supersonic efficiency, solving fuel logistics, and keeping noise down will require some serious next-level breakthroughs. But that hasn't stopped the buzz. Skyov has already ignited global conversations on what the future of air travel could look like. The Samson Switchblade isn't just a flying car, it's a full-blown revolution in personal transportation. It's a sleek, three-wheeled road vehicle you can park in your garage, and when it's time to fly, it transforms into a high-performance aircraft. Within just 3 minutes at a nearby airport, the wings unfold, the tail extends, and you're cleared for takeoff, no hangar needed. With a top flying speed of 200 miles per hour and an altitude ceiling of 13,000 feet, it redefines what it means to travel on your terms. Whether it's city driving or sky cruising, the Switchblade handles both worlds with style. Inside, it's just as futuristic, featuring a climate-controlled cabin, high-tech digital cockpit, and state-of-the-art avionics for confident flying. Safety is front and center with all-wheel disc brakes, crumple zones, rollover protection, and even a full vehicle parachute system. And if you want to make flying even easier, there's an optional autopilot to lighten your load mid-air. On the ground, it performs like a sports car, agile, responsive, and built for smooth driving before liftoff. Starting at $170,000, it's the price of a luxury car with the power of a private aircraft. The Samson Switchblade is practical, exhilarating, and absolutely real. It turns everyday travel into something extraordinary, where the highway ends and the sky begins. The Ringwing plane is a stunning leap in aviation design, breaking away from traditional aircraft wings. Instead of the usual straight or swept wings, it features a closed-loop ring, creating a continuous aerodynamic surface. This unique structure reduces drag, increases lift, and improves stability, even at lower speeds, making it ultra-efficient. Engineers believe this design could enable vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, and whisper-quiet operation, perfect for urban skies. Though challenges like material strength and flight control systems remain, its potential to revolutionize air mobility is sky-high. Imagine a world where aircraft glide smoothly through city airways, consume less fuel, and fly with minimal noise. That's what the Ringwing promises: cleaner skies, faster commutes, and a new era of sustainable aviation. It's not just another plane. It's a redefinition of how we fly, with a futuristic look to match its revolutionary function. Researchers and aerospace innovators across the globe are racing to refine this concept and bring it to reality. If successful, it could influence everything from personal air taxis to next-gen drones and even spaceplane tech. The Ringwing plane stands as a symbol of what's possible when imagination meets engineering. Plana CP-01, a futuristic hybrid air taxi that's rewriting the rules of regional air travel. Developed by South Korean company Plana Aero, this aircraft combines electric motors with traditional turbine power, giving it an incredible range of up to 500 kilometers. Unlike fully electric evtols, the CP01's hybrid propulsion system extends flight range while improving fuel efficiency, making it a practical solution for intercity commutes. Plena's goal is bold yet clear: to make air mobility more accessible, scalable, and affordable, with a target production cost of around $3.5 million. They plan to deliver 10 units to Sky Taxi by 2030 and scale up to 40 by 2040. This isn't just another concept, Plena is serious. They're developing full-scale prototypes and building momentum with strong financial backing and global interest. With a sleek design tailored for 6 passengers and a pilot, the CP01 promises fast, safe, and quiet rides through the skies. Its vertical takeoff and landing ability removes the need for runways, unlocking the possibility of launching from rooftops or compact urban zones. Plena's vision is all about blending futuristic technology with real-world practicality. Audi's Aviation evtol, a hybrid electric aircraft that's rewriting the future of flight. This isn't just a plane. It's a revolution in the skies, combining vertical takeoff like a helicopter with the speed and range of a traditional jet. Designed to slash flight times on the world's busiest routes, Audi's Aviation is paving the way for faster, cleaner, and more flexible air travel. With a hybrid electric propulsion system, it blends gas turbine reliability with electric efficiency, offering the best of both worlds. The result? A smart, sustainable aircraft that brings the future of aviation to life. The Audi's evtol can fly at 345 miles per hour, carry 9 passengers plus 2 pilots, and cover a range of up to 750 miles. Out of that, 200 miles are fully electric, ideal for short hops with zero emissions and near-silent operation. It can lift off from airports, helipads, or even vertiports, skipping the runway chaos and diving straight into the sky. Think about it. Business trips, regional flights, or even high-end commuter routes could be transformed overnight. No more hours wasted in traffic or layovers, just smooth, direct, futuristic flight. This aircraft is more than engineering, it's a leap forward for both passengers and operators. From reducing carbon footprints to unlocking new travel routes, it's built with a bold vision and real-world impact. Audi's Aviation isn't just building a plane, they're building a new era of mobility. The MQ-9 Reaper isn't just a drone, it's one of the most advanced and feared machines in the sky today. Built by General Atomics, this unmanned aerial vehicle is a powerhouse of precision, speed, and deadly capability. It can soar at 50,000 feet, staying airborne for an incredible 27 hours without rest. From tracking targets to delivering lethal strikes, it does it all, without ever putting a pilot in harm's way. And that's exactly what makes it a game-changer in modern warfare. Armed with Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs, the Reaper doesn't just gather intelligence, it strikes with chilling accuracy. It watches silently from above, scanning every movement, every signal, and when commanded, it hits fast and hard. Operators control it from the ground, sitting safely miles away, yet locked in with real-time data and satellite links. They see what the Reaper sees, live, high-resolution feeds from its advanced electro-optical and infrared sensors. It's like having eyes and firepower in the sky, all at once. The MQ-9 Reaper is used by the U.S. Air Force, CIA, and several allied nations. From counter-terrorism operations to battlefield surveillance, its presence changes the balance of power. It can loiter quietly above a combat zone or chase high-value targets across borders, all without being seen. The Martin jetpack was a revolutionary step toward making personal flight a reality. Developed by New Zealand's Martin Aircraft Company, it wasn't a traditional jetpack but used ducted fans for lift. Unveiled in 2008, it was designed for personal use, emergency response, and even military applications. Powered by a 2.0 LV4 engine producing 200 horsepower, it could reach speeds of 74 km per hour. Classified as an ultralight aircraft by the FAA, it promised easy operation with minimal training. Unlike sci-fi jetpacks, the pilot strapped in rather than carrying it, making it bulkier but more stable. A steep $250,000, aimed at professionals rather than hobbyists. Despite its ambitious vision, commercial production never took off, and the company eventually shut down. Still, The Martin jetpack remains an icon of innovation, inspiring future personal flight technologies. While we may not have jetpacks in every garage yet, projects like this bring us closer to that reality. The dream of flying solo isn't dead, it's just waiting for the next breakthrough. The Lucid Air is an exceptional electric luxury sedan that stands out with its elegant design and cutting-edge performance. Manufactured by Lucid Motors, it offers a premium driving experience, combining modern technology with impressive range and speed. The 2024 Lucid Air starts at $71,400 and boasts a 410-mile range in its base pure model. With its Formula E-inspired battery and motor design, Lucid Air delivers powerful acceleration and energy efficiency. Inside, the cabin is a masterpiece of luxury and innovation, featuring state-of-the-art materials and a spacious, refined layout. For those seeking futuristic mobility, Lucid also has a concept for a flying electric car recently FAA approved and available for pre-sale at around $33,000. This aerial vehicle can perform vertical takeoffs and landings while transitioning seamlessly to road driving. Whether you're grounded or soaring above, Lucid Motors continues to redefine the future of transportation with its visionary approach. Lyft Aircraft, the company rewriting the rules of personal aviation, no pilot's license required. At the heart of their fleet is the Hexa, a futuristic electric aircraft powered by 18 independent rotors, designed for total stability and peace of mind. It's so intuitive, even first-timers can take to the skies after a quick safety briefing and simulation session. No complicated controls, just pure freedom. Each Hexa flight session lasts about 8 to 15 minutes and costs around $250, giving anyone the chance to feel like a pilot without years of training. Imagine floating over treetops, lakes, or open landscapes. Just you, the sky, and a silent machine that listens to your every command. The Hexa itself isn't just a flight experience, it's a personal aircraft. A handful of units have been sold for $495,000, with a unique 5-year buyback program for those serious about owning a piece of the future. But Lyft's vision stretches far beyond ownership. Kea Atmos, a revolutionary solar-powered drone that soars where few machines dare to go. Built by Kea Aerospace in New Zealand, this ultralight unmanned aircraft is made for the stratosphere, flying between 50,000 to 65,000 feet. That's far above weather systems and commercial planes, giving it a smooth, uninterrupted view of Earth for months at a time. With a wingspan of 12.5 meters and weighing under 40 kilograms, the Kea Atmos is incredibly efficient, powered entirely by the sun. Its ultimate goal? To stay airborne for months, monitoring, surveying, and connecting the world from above. This isn't just another drone, it's a game changer. Its lightweight structure and high-altitude range make it perfect for environmental monitoring, disaster relief, maritime surveillance, and telecommunication coverage. Unlike satellites, which are costly and harder to reposition, the Kea Atmos offers flexibility, affordability, and long-term coverage like never before. Future versions aim to provide multi-month missions, gathering real-time data for climate science, emergency response, and remote communications. Think of it as a satellite with wings, hovering peacefully above us, powered by nothing but sunlight. Kea Atmos isn't just a UAV, it's a bold step into the future of Earth observation and sustainable aviation. A silent sentinel in the sky, rewriting what's possible in aerospace technology. Leo Coupe. Now this is what the future looks like. The Leo Coupe is not just a vehicle, it's a dream in motion. Designed by Leo Flight, this sleek, all-electric aircraft can take off vertically and soar through the sky like something out of science fiction. It's a 3-seater flying EV, with the soul of a sports car and the freedom of a private jet, all in one jaw-dropping package. Bold and beautiful, aerodynamic curves, advanced electric propulsion, and a body that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. But it's not just about the looks, it's about changing how we move, how we see the world, and how we live. The Leo Coupe takes off like a helicopter, then flies like a jet, all without a runway. It's quiet, clean, and incredibly intuitive to operate, with a focus on safety, control, and simplicity. The panoramic cockpit offers stunning views, turning every trip into a flying experience you'll never forget. Built for short commutes and urban air mobility, this is not just tech, it's freedom, redefined. This isn't a far-off fantasy. The Leo Coupe is a bold step toward the sky, making personal air travel real and unbelievably exciting. Welcome to the next chapter of transportation. The Leo Coupe isn't coming. It's already here, and it's about to lift us higher than ever. The Klein Vision Aircar is a real-life sci-fi dream, one that seamlessly transforms from car to aircraft in under 3 minutes. With the press of a button, its sleek wings unfold, and the tail extends, turning this road cruiser into a fully functioning airplane. It's a two-seater powered by a BMW engine that runs on standard gasoline, capable of reaching speeds up to 170 km per hour in the air and 200 km per hour on the road. Engineered in Slovakia, this hybrid marvel needs only 300 meters of runway to take off and can soar up to 1,000 kilometers on a single tank, blending convenience and range in a way no car or plane can match alone. The aircar has already completed intercity flights and earned official airworthiness certification from the FAA, proving it's more than just a concept. Inside, the cockpit is compact and stylish, combining aircraft-grade controls with automotive comfort. You can drive it through city streets, then take to the skies, all without switching vehicles. It doesn't require any sci-fi infrastructure, just a stretch of road or runway. This isn't just another prototype. It's an engineering milestone that brings flying cars from fiction to fact. The Jetson 1 is rewriting what it means to fly, right from your backyard. This one-seat personal aircraft is the brainchild of Peter Turnstrom, a high-performance car enthusiast, and Tomas Patton, a drone expert and visionary inventor. Together, they founded Jetson Aero in 2017 with one dream: to make flight accessible to everyone. No pilot's license required. Just passion and a sense of adventure. Crafted with an ultra-light aluminum space frame and a carbon Kevlar composite shell, the Jetson 1 is built for speed, safety, and style. It tips the scales at just 190 pounds, making it light enough to be classified under FAA ultralight rules. It's not a plane, it's not a helicopter, it's something entirely new. A flying machine you can actually own, fly, and enjoy with minimal training. The Jetson 1 is powered by 8 electric motors that deliver a flight time of 20 minutes on a full charge. It runs on a high-discharge lithium-ion battery and reaches speeds up to 102 km per hour, or about 63 miles per hour. It can lift a pilot weighing up to 210 pounds and is equipped with triple redundant flight systems, hands-free hover, and emergency auto-landing features. Jetman Dubai. Experience the thrill of human flight with Jetman Dubai, where you can soar over the iconic Palm Jumeirah. Join a professional pilot and ascend to an altitude of 1,200 meters, reaching speeds of 200 kilometers per hour. Choose from 3 incredible packages, each offering an unforgettable experience. The standard package, 1,950 United Arab Emirates dirhams, includes a 15-minute session, with 6 minutes of actual flight time. For those seeking more altitude and adventure, the advanced package, 8,950 United Arab Emirates dirhams, offers longer flight time, video recording, and access to higher altitudes. The ultimate package, 16,999 United Arab Emirates dirhams, is the pinnacle of luxury, featuring customized flying suits, a private tour, and an 8-minute flight at extreme heights. Each package comes with a certificate and commemorative t-shirt, while the ultimate package includes exclusive souvenirs. This once-in-a-lifetime opportunity is perfect for adrenaline junkies and those looking to make unforgettable memories in Dubai. With Jetman Dubai, the sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning of an extraordinary adventure. The IFO, or Identified Flying Object, is one of the boldest concepts in personal air mobility. Designed by Pier Paolo Lazzarini from the Italian design studio Jet Capsule, this futuristic two-seater drone is a flying saucer straight out of a sci-fi dream. At its heart is a sleek central capsule just 2 meters in diameter, surrounded by a circular chassis that looks like something from another planet. It's powered by 8 electric engines, giving it the power to reach an estimated top speed of 120 miles per hour. This isn't just a flying toy. It's a serious air vehicle built for low-altitude urban travel. The IFO draws energy from multiple battery systems hidden in its disc-shaped frame, with an extra battery pack located at the center of the capsule for extended range. Flight autonomy is estimated between 60 to 70 minutes, enough for short hops across cities or scenic aerial experiences. When it's time to land, the IFO gently touches down using 6 foldable, telescoping legs that lower like something out of a space movie. To enter, passengers use a compact elevator that descends from the bottom of the spherical cockpit. Hyundai's SA1, a next-generation electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft built to revolutionize urban mobility. It's sleek, fully electric, and designed for the skies of tomorrow. With a cruising speed of 290 km per hour and a flight range of around 100 km, the SA1 turns city-to-city travel into a smooth, airborne experience. Say goodbye to gridlocked roads and hello to a zero-emissions journey above the chaos. Crafted in collaboration with Uber Elevate, this aircraft seats 4 passengers plus a pilot, offering panoramic views from its spacious cabin. It features distributed electric propulsion for safety and quieter flights, essential in dense cityscapes. And thanks to its vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, it can operate from rooftops or compact skyports, connecting urban hubs like never before. Inside, the cabin feels like a blend of luxury and minimalism, comfortable, connected, and completely future-forward. Whether it's for your daily commute, an emergency medical lift, or aerial tourism, the SA1 is being built to adapt to multiple missions. Hyundai envisions fully autonomous flights in the near future, pushing the boundaries of what air mobility can be. And best of all, it's all designed with sustainability in mind, helping reduce both carbon footprints and travel stress. The Hyundai SA1 isn't just an aircraft. It's a vision of freedom, speed, and sustainability, flying us into a smarter, cleaner tomorrow. Horten Flying Wing. Imagine a warplane in 1944 that looked like it came from the future. That was the Horten Ho 229, an experimental flying wing designed by German aviation pioneers Reimar and Walter Horten. It wasn't just fast, it was revolutionary. This was the world's first jet-powered flying wing, built to slice through the skies with less drag and almost invisible to radar. Its tailless, sleek form was a major step toward what we now call stealth technology. And the secret? It was built mostly out of wood, yes, wood, fused with advanced materials to reduce its radar signature. Fueled by 2 Junkers Jumo 004 turbojets, the Ho 229 was Germany's answer to the Luftwaffe's 3x1000 challenge. Carry 1,000 kilograms of bombs, fly 1,000 kilometers, and reach 1,000 kilometers per hour. That was unheard of in World War II. Although only a few prototypes ever made it off the ground, and it never saw combat, the Ho 229 was a bold leap forward in aviation. Its futuristic design left engineers stunned and inspired. Even modern stealth bombers, like the B-2 Spirit, owe a nod to this ghost from the past.